Good morning to all of you. Today I am going to teach you Business Study of Class 11th, Chapter 1st, Nature and Purpose of Business. It means in this chapter, what is the nature and what is the main purpose of the business. First, history of commerce. Commerce is the exchange of goods and services, especially on a large scale, it means large quantity. It includes legal, economic, political, social, cultural, and technological system that operate in country or international trade. It means commerce not only single country, also the international country. Next, human activities. First, what is human activities? In every society, peoples undertake different activity to satisfy their needs. It means all the people of society, they busy in some activities. Next, classification of human activities. Types of human activities. There are two types of human activities: economic activities and non-economic activities. Clear, I think there are two types of human activity. It means all peoples begin two activities, economic and non-economic. First, economic activities. Economic activities are those activities which are undertaken which an aim to earn livelihood, aim to earn money. It is called economic activities. Next, types of economic activities. Economic activity divided in three categories: profession, employment, and business. There are three economic activities: profession, employment, business. Next, difference of business, profession, and employment. We know that all these three activities, the economic activities, but some differences in economic activities. Like mode established, a businessman is established on the decision the entrepreneur, which may be followed by other legal formality. It means if we want to start a business, we need legal formality. A professional must have to membership of professional body and certificate of practice. It means if anybody like a doctor, teacher, lawyer, they want to start their career with profession, so they need related to job certificate. Employment. To start an employment, person must have a letter of appointment and service agreement. It means employment can start after receiving the agreement and appointment letter. Nature of work. The main nature of business, providing goods and services to the society. And profession, they provided their services like doctor, like a lawyer, like a teacher. And employment, performing work as per job contract. What is their contract? Qualification. In business, there is no need of any qualification, but in profession we must need profession according to their work. And also in employment, return, reward or return. In business, profit and the reward for the businessman, and in profession, professional fee. And employment, salary and wages. Capital investment. In business, need huge capital for start a business, and profession we need limited capital, and employment there no need of any capital. Risk. In business involve more risk, and professional very less risk, and employment no risk. Transfer of interest. It means business can transfer to any other, but profession cannot transfer, and also employment not transfer. Code of conduct. In business there is no prescribed code of conduct, but in profession is a compulsory. And employment, the employee prescribe the norms of behavior. This is the difference between business, profession and employment. Next, types of non-economic activities. तो फर्स्ट, व्हाट इज नॉन इकोनॉमिक एक्टिविटीज? Non-economic activities are those activities which are undertaken out of love, sympathy, and emotional, etc. It means self-satisfaction. They not earn money. It's called non-economic activity. Some popular recreation non-economic activities में leisure time activities, family obligation, family के लिए time देना, religious and cultural, social welfare activities, society के लिए. Next, difference between economic and non-economic activity. We know that the main aim of economic activity, non-economic activities. Economic activities earn money and non-economic activities self-satisfaction for the welfare of the society. Okay. So some differences given of economic and non-economic activities. These like objective. These activities are related to wealth or money. The main aim of the economic activity earn money, but non-economic activity welfare of society or self-satisfaction. Types. These are divided into production, consumption, distribution, and exchange. Economic and non-economic activities. These are divided into social, political, religious, charitable, financial, and recognition activities. So these are differences of non and economic activities. Scope.